Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Textbook 2, Exercise 8.4, Question number 5. For each of the following function, find g of xy, g of xx, g of yy, and g of yx. First, the function g of xy is x e power y plus 3x square y. First, we have to find g of xy. For that, you have to find g of x is you have to differentiate function g with respect to x, that is dou g by dou x is equal with respect to y means here e power y plus 3x square y is 6x with respect to x means 6xy because y is a constant here. Next, we have to find for that gxy, which means dou by dou x of dou x dou y, means we have to differentiate this gx with respect to y. Here e power y derivative is e power y plus 6xy with respect to y is 6x. Next, the second one is g of xx we have to find. First, g of x is already there. We have to differentiate with respect to g of xx. G of xx equal dou square g over dou x dou square x, which means we have to differentiate this with respect to x. Here e power y is 0 plus with respect to x 6y is 6xy is 6y. So g of xx is 6y. Next, here g of yy, first g of y, here the function is x e power y plus 3x squared is there. With respect to y, we have to do, that means here x is the constant, so we have to write x e power y. So g of y, g of x e power x e power y here, not x e power y plus 3x squared y with respect to y means 3x square. Next, we have to find gyy means we have to differentiate with respect to y, means here with respect to y means e power y is e power y only, but x is a constant, so x e power and 3x squared is fully in terms of x, so it becomes 0. Gyy. Next, gyx. Gyx means we have to differentiate gy with respect to, no, this one we can write clearly, gyx is dou by dou y of g of x. Here g of x is already we have e power y plus 6xy. So with respect to y means e power y plus 6x, e power y plus derivative of 6xy with respect to y is plus 6x. So gyx we have e power y plus 6x. This is the first question. Then like second one is g of xy is g of xy is log of 5x plus 3y. First we have to find gx is 1 over log differentiation is 1 over 5x plus 3y and differentiation of 5x is 5, which is equal 5 over 5x plus 3y. Also we'll find g of y also will find here, and same 1 over 5x plus 3y into 3, because 3y differentiation is 3, which is equal 3 over 5x plus 3y. gy. Next we have to find first g. We'll get one by one. First is ask gxy. G of xy means gxy means dou by dou x of g of y. Here g of y we have 3 of this one, and with respect to y we have to find, so then 3 into minus 1 over 5x plus 3y the square into, with respect to x is 5x derivatives with 5, which is finally equal minus 15 over 5x plus 3y the square. Next g of xx, g of xx, which means dou by dou x of g of x. Here g of x we have here same 5 of this one, 5 over 5x plus 3y. So we have 5 into minus 1 over 5x plus 3y the whole square into, with respect to x is 5x is here, so derivative of 5x is 5, so which is minus 25 over 5x plus 3y the square. Therefore g of x is now next g of yy, that is dou by dou y of g of y. Dou by dou y of g of y is here 3 over, with respect to y we have to do same like 3 into minus 1 over 5x plus 3y the square into, with respect to y is into 3 equal minus 9 over 5x plus 3y the square. G of yy. Next is g of yx means g of yx means dou by dou y of g of x. Here we have g of x is this one, so differentiate that one, same 5 into minus 1 over 5x plus 3y the square into, with respect to y, is into 3 which is equal minus 15 over 5x plus 3y the square. Third question, g of xy g of x comma y equal x square plus 3xy plus 3xy minus 7y plus cos 5x. Now first we will find g of x, is that means dou by dou x with respect to x here, differentiating with respect to x is 2x, with respect to x is here 3y, because 3xy is x is 3y. Here complete 7y is differentiation is 0 minus sine 5x into 5. So finally you can write it, this 2x plus 2y minus 5 sine 5x. G of y is same. We have to differentiate this with respect to y. We have x square is constant, that is means 3x. Differentiation of 3xy with respect to y is 3x. 7y is minus 7. 5 cos, that is 0, which is equal 3x minus 7 gy. Now g of xy, which means dou by dou x of g of y. Here g of y we have this, and with respect to x is this, differentiate with respect to x is 3. Next g of xx, which means dou by dou x of gx. Here dx is dou by dou x. With respect to x we have to do 2x derivative is 2, 2y is 0, and 5 sine minus minus 5 sine 5x is minus 25 cos x, minus 25 cos x, 20 cos 5x. So we'll write clearly, this is 2 minus 25 cos of 5x. Next g y y, already g y is 3x minus 7, so we have to that is dou by dou y of g of y. Already g of y we have 3x minus 7, so differentiation with respect to g of y g of y we have 3x minus 7, g of y with respect to g of y with respect to y, one more time, is 3, because your g of y is 0, because here there is no y term in this. Next g of yx equal dou by dou y of g of x. Here g of x we have g of x we have to find with respect to y, g of y with g of x with respect to y. G of x here, g of x with respect to y is 2x is 0, 2y is 2, 2x is 0, 2y is 2. G of y, we have to find g of yx. G of yx means g of x is 2 with respect here. First is 0, second is 3 here, not 2 here, 3 into 1 minus 0, because g of x we have this is this minus 5x fully complete in terms of x, so with respect to y it is 0, so we have therefore which is equal 3. That means g of yx. So we got all. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.